Speaking practice for the verb plus ing structure. Listen to the sentence, then pause the video and repeat after me. Think about the structure we studied. Train your brain to master the verb plus ing structure. Let's begin. Tony and I enjoy hiking together. We love experiencing nature while exercising. My dog loves racing around the park. He's so energetic that he can run for hours. Many people hate flying, but I'm a bit strange because I actually enjoy flying. Will you kids stop shouting so loudly? You're giving me a headache. Please avoid walking on the grass. Imagine living on a paradise island without any stress or worries. That would be heaven. My friend Barry is considering moving to Australia. He has always wanted to live there. Artists need to spend lots of time thinking so that they can come up with creative ideas for their work. Do we have any homework, Miss Ashley? Yes, I want you to practice writing the present perfect. Write 5 sentences using this tense. Hi, Ray. Can you help me with this idea that I'm working on? Yes, just give me 1 minute to finish doing this. John, have you finished painting the bedroom yet? Not yet. I'll be finished doing it in about 30 minutes. You should always practice using the English that you learn as much as possible. Simon, you are spending too much time watching TV and surfing the internet. Do something more productive with your life. But Mum, I love watching TV. Some cultures consider burping and eating aloud as a sign of enjoyment. In some other cultures, these are considered rude. Now it's time to relax. I want you to imagine walking in a beautiful green field, feeling the warm sun on your face, listening to the birds and smelling the flowers. When you visit Beijing, avoid taking the subway. It's always packed full of people. That movie we watched last night was so scary. I loved it. Can you stop talking about that movie? I had nightmares because of it. Steve Jobs was a very passionate man. He hated seeing poor design, and he made sure every product he created was his idea of perfection.